is nothing but arrangement and C is nothing but selection. P is nothing but arrangement, C is nothing but selection. So wherever you have the concept, wherever you have the concept of P, apply arrangement, there you have to apply P. Okay. Now, for example, let me just go with the basics here. Two people are standing, two places are there. You all know that if two people are standing, two places are there, how many ways you can arrange? Two ways. One AB and the other BA. So how many ways you can arrange? Two ways. Yes, Mumtaz, Begum, there are a few new students today. Okay. Yes, the class has already been started. Clear? Now listen everybody. Two people are there, two places are there, that we all know that. We call it as, like a 2 factorial. That is 2, two people are there. Suppose you're going to have 3. 3 people are there and 3 places are there. Okay, how many ways we can arrange? We call it as 6. 6 ways we can arrange. What are the 6 ways? A, B, C. A, B, C, A, C, B, A, B, C, A, C, B, C, A, B, like this 6 ways. Following everybody? Now, let's try to have a look everybody. Suppose there are 10 people. Suppose there are 10 people, you have got 10 chairs. There are 10 people and you have got 10 chairs. How many ways we can arrange these 10 people in these 10 places? What your mind is saying? 10 factorial? Yes. In your brain something is going on and we are calling it as 10 factorial. Are you understanding everybody? Try to remember this basic rule of P and C. We are doing P, students. Yes, we are doing P. We are not doing C. Remember everybody. Okay. Now, when 10 people are there, 10 places are there, 10 factorial, Subhashmita is saying. Okay. So why? How we got this 10 factorial? Have a look here. Whenever we have n people, whenever we have n people, whenever we have n places, we must call as n factorial. Whenever we have n people and whenever we have n places, what do we call it as? N factorial. But students, in my sessions, we are not majorly depending on formulae. Remember that. So who told n formulae? Sorry, n factorial. Who told n factorial? Okay. Concept came and later formulae have arrived. सब लोग याद रखना, पहले कॉन्सेप्ट आया है, बाद में फॉर्मूला आया है. Are you understanding everybody? So let's try to have a factorial. You all know 2 factorial. What is 2 factorial? 2 into 1. 2 factorial is 2 into 1. What is 3 factorial? 3 into 2 into 1. You all know that. Following everybody? What is 10 factorial? 10 into 9 into 8 into so on to 10 factorial. But who gave the word factorial and why this factorial has come? मैं बताऊंगा. I'll tell you. Everybody have a look. Everybody have a look. Everybody here. How we got this factorial into the existence? Have a look here. Now, how many people are standing? Concept very simple. It's a reasoning. Okay, it's not formula, permutation, arithmetic. It's not. I'm teaching you reasoning. Huh? Now tell me, how many people are standing? 2. How many chairs are available? How many chairs are available here? 2 chairs. Believe that 2 people are standing and 2 chairs are there. You tell me in the first place. You tell me in the first place how many people are eagerly waiting to sit. 2 people are standing, 2 places are there. In the first place, how many people are eagerly waiting to sit? Only one. Either A can sit or B can sit. But how many people have a chance to sit here? 2 people have a chance to sit here. Remember students, 2 arrangements are possible here. Either A can sit or B can sit. Okay. Over. Believe that A is sitting here. Believe that A is sitting here. Do you think that the A is over? Yes, A is over now. Now tell me, in this remaining second place, okay, how many people are eagerly waiting? First fellow is waiting or second fellow is waiting or both are waiting? Only one fellow is there because already A has occupied the place. Now in this chance there is only one fellow waiting, that is B. So how many chances we're going to have here? Students, this is a very simple arrangement. Here we have got one chance. That's what. So we can say 2 cases into 1 case. 2 into 1. We call it as what? 2 factorial. 2 into 1 we call it as what? 2 factorial. Why this factorial has come? Because these are the sort of arrangements. These are the sort of arrangements. Okay, now let's try to go across and just try to see here. How many people are standing here? 3. How many chairs are available? 3. So in the first place, how many people are eagerly waiting? Either A can sit or B can sit or C can sit. So how many chances are there? 3 chances. 3 people have a chance to sit here. Either A. Believe that A is sitting here or B is sitting here. Let's say B is sitting here. Now tell me here in the second place, in the upcoming second place, do you think again 3 people are waiting? No. Already B is sitting in a position. B is already taken the place. Now B is no more to keep. Now how many people are waiting? 2 people. Either A or C. 2 chances. 2 people have a chance to sit here. Chalo think that B is sitting here, for example. Sorry, not B. A is sitting here. Now you tell me in this place how many people are waiting? Only one. That is C. Aao, baitho. So 3 chances, 2 chances, 1 chances. What do you call it as? 3 factorial. What is 3 factorial? 6. Understand the reason, everybody? Clear? Now, how many people are standing here? 10. How many places are given here? 10. 10 people, 10 chairs. In the first place, how many people are eagerly waiting? Either A, B, C, D, so on to J. Anybody can sit here. 10 chances. Suppose that C is sitting here. Now, C have no chance once again. C already sat. Leaving C, remaining all 9 people can sit here. If 9 people are sitting here, here 8 people, here 7, so on to 1. When you multiply all these cases, that nothing but 10 factorial. That is nothing but what, students? 10 factorial. So that is the reason people have told n places, n people, that is n factorial. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? That's what. Suppose he told you there are, like 4 people. Mathematics, physics, chemistry, English. 4 sessions are there and 4 sessions are there. If 4 subjects have to be taken into these 4 sessions in a school schedule, mathematics teacher, physics teacher, chemistry teacher and English teacher, 4 subjects have to be taught in 4 sessions. How many ways we can arrange the scheduling? Maths, physics, chemistry, English, chemistry, maths, physics, chemistry, physics, maths. Dandam, we don't do all that. 4 people, 4 places, 4 factorial. That is 24. 24 arrangements are possible. Yes, that is what? Any one subject. 4. Suppose maths have been taken here, here 3, here 2, here 1. So this is what. I hope you all people are understanding this. Is it clear to you? Either you call it as subjects, or you call it letters, or you call it digits. How many 4 digits numbers are formed? Very simple. How many 4 digit numbers are formed? It's what? 4 factorial. N people, n places. N people, n places, n factorial, that you never forget. I hope everybody is understanding this. Are you understanding, everybody? These are the basics I'm teaching you. I did not even start any questions till now. Okay? Chali. Now, so what if we have learned very simple? We have learned very simple. N people, n places. You said n people, n places, n factorial. N people, n places, n factorial. What if the people are n, places are r? People are n, places are r. I mean to say, listen everybody, 3 people are there, but places are only 2 only, not 3 places. Suppose 10, the number of people are 10. Are you understanding, everybody? Till j, the number of people are 10, and but there are 3 chairs. How many ways we can sit? Here. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Here. Do you think people are places both are same? No. People and places both are same? No. When people and places are same, n people, n places, we call it as n factorial. But here when you have n people are places, we call it as npr. What's the formula for npr? N factorial by n minus r factorial. But we don't want the formula. We don't want the formula. We are not depending on the formula. Who came first? Concept. The concept have arrived first. Later the formulas have been designed. Are you understanding? The concept have come first. Later the formulas have been designed. Are you understanding, everybody? If you will understand this, any question of PNC will be very easy for you. You should understand the arrangements, not the formulas and all. Leave it. Let's try to teach with the help of formula. Listen, everybody. The value of n is 10. The value of r is 3. 10 people, 3 places. If you use formula, what happens? Have a look here. What do you call it as? 10p3. 10 people, 3 places, 10p3. NPR, 10p3. Look, I'm just trying to do here. 10 factorial is here by 10 minus 3 factorial. I'm using the formula, okay, because many people do with the help of formula. I'm also using formula, okay. Now, अभी देखो क्या होता है 10 factorial divided by 7 factorial. I hope you're understanding this. What is 10 factorial? 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial divided by 7 factorial. I hope you all know that. Now I think you are supposed to cancel this 7 factorial, which you have already learned in your school level. Okay, 10 into 9 into 8, you all know that. That is 720 ways. Bolo, how many ways? 720. We don't want. अगर तुम ना होते तो क्या होता? Are you understanding, everybody? If this formula was not there, can't we do it? Yes, we can do it. Everybody. Vinendra is saying correct answer. Okay, Sunny, is your answer is correct or wrong? It's not 504, Sunny. It's 540, I guess. I don't know. Okay, now have a look here. How to do it? Have a look here. How many people are standing? 10. In the first place, how many people can sit? 10 people can sit, sir. Okay. Chalo, A is sitting here. Do you think A can sit once again? No. A chance is over. Now, how many people are waiting? 9. Chalo, think that here E is sitting here. E is gone. A is gone. Now, how many people are waiting? 8. Now, I guess, students, you are doing the same thing here. You are doing the same thing in the end of the formula also. When you are doing the same thing at the end of the formula, do you want this much of drama? 10 factorial by 10 minus 3 factorial NCR formula, nothing, sir, nothing we don't know. Are you understanding? With formula, without formula, both are same. So that's the reason we don't recommend all these things. समझ में आ रहा है? By concept, we go to last step directly. Oh, good, Rahul. That's good. The last step, whatever we have to arrange. Look, you want to arrange. Tell me here. Tell me here. Very simple, okay? Now, 3 people are there. Here, how many people can sit? 3 people. Chalo, one fellow already sat here. Again, 2 people. So, answer is 3 into 2. That's it. There's nothing to like hide over here. But when formula says, what the formula? 3P. 3 people, 2 places. 3P2. What's the value of 3P2? 3 into 2. That's it. So you're supposed to do all these things. Don't do all these things. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Chaliye, good. Now, let's try to see here. How to do this thing? Suppose you have 5P3. How to do 5P3 without the help of formula? Very simple. Use this concept. 5 people in the beginning, followed by 4 people, followed by 3 people. That's it. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? That's good. Let's try to move forward, everybody. Abhi aage badhte hain. Have a look here. Suppose you're going to have here 11P2. What is 11P2? Very simple. How many cases here? 11 cases into 10 cases. समझ में आ रहा है? Ardhamaitunda. Have a look here. Suppose you're going to say 55P3. You don't use a formula, sir. 55 people will sit. Again, 54 people can sit. Again, 53 people can sit. This is the way you are supposed to remember. Are you understanding, everybody? So don't forget about this thing. Okay, following, don't use a formula. Don't get involved into the formula. Are you understanding, everybody? Let's try to move forward now. So we have used 2 concepts. What 2 concepts? N people, N places, N factorial we have learned. N people, R places, NPR. Are we depending on formula? No, we are not depending on formula. These are the things we should remember how to do it. समझ में आ रहा है, everybody? चलिए. Now, let's try to move forward, students. Let's try to move forward here. Okay. Now, let me just try to ask you a very basic question. You are supposed to do it now. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed? Any idea? Amit Babu, tell me. Rakesh Naidu Babu, how many 4-digit numbers can be formed? I want the 4-digit numbers. Any idea? No, it's a chat communication, sir. At least should work out. 625. I don't want the answer. I just want, what P what. 360. 6P4. Reshma, that's good. But Reshma, here we have only 5 people. The number 6 is given instead of 5. Subhashmita 120. 120 is not the, I don't want all that. Okay, that's good. 6543. Induja is saying something like that. 5555555. Sujita. Okay, that's good. 5P4. That's good. That's good. Kashi. Kashi has given a correct answer. How many people are standing here? 5. How many places are here? 4. 5P4. Are you understanding how to calculate 5P4? You all know that. Very simple. 5, 4, 3, 2. This is the way we are supposed to calculate. 5, 4, 3, 2. That's good. But, sir, this is not given. This is not given. Your answer says instantly. What is that? 5P3. What do you call it as? 5P3. Are you understanding, everybody? 5 people are standing 3 places. Suppose I'm going to give you one more question. For example, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. Chaliye, your answers will be understanding for here. Clear? Look at this and tell me what's the answer. Make it faster. Make it faster. Your quick answers should be very quick. Six P5, Reshma, that's good. That's good. That's good, Reshma. How many people are standing here? It's very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For these 6 people, how many places are given? 5 places. So how many ways we can arrange? Very simple. Very simple. We call it as 6P5. That's good. Everybody's shouting 6P5. I'm happy that you are understanding how to arrange. Subhashmita is one step ahead. Subhashmita, your answer is correct. 6P5 is nothing but 6 cases, 5 cases, 4 cases, 3 cases, 2 cases. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this. Are you understanding, everybody? That's good. Aniket is saying 6P5. That's good. Okay. Now, let's try to move forward, everybody. Let's try to move forward. Let me just try to talk to you. Okay. Now, let me just try to give you the questions once again. Okay. Here. Let me just try to give you one small question here. Just try to give you one small question. 5 people are there, 4 places are there. How many 4-digit numbers are formed? You have answered 5P4 for the previous question. That's good. If I ask you same question once again, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. You are telling here 6P5. That's good. But students, let me just try to ask you, do you think the examiner or any competitive exams will give you very simple question like this? 6 people 5? No. 5 people 4? No. What they will ask you, the condition. Now here comes conditions in permutations. Students, आपको बहुत ध्यान से सुनना होगा. Okay, you have to be very alert in conditions. Let me just try to tease the conditions, everybody. Look at that. How many 4-digit numbers are formed? You said 6P4. But sir, I don't want all the numbers. I don't want all the numbers. I want only those numbers which are divisible by 2. How many 4-digit numbers are formed? How many 4-digit numbers are formed which are divisible by 2? Which are divisible by what? 2. Is it very clear to you? Yes. Now, everybody, let's try to understand divisible by 2. So if any number is given to you, 1, 2, 5, 3, 0, this is 3, 6, 7, 9, 2. Is this number is divisible by 2? You will instantly say yes. Why you will say yes, sir? Because the last digit is 2, then the number is divisible by 2, sir. This is a very clear example, na, sir? Yes, that's true. So divisible by 2 means your focus should be on the last digit. Don't forget this thing. The students, you're understanding, the focus in the last digit. Now, do you think this number is divisible by 2? You say no, sir, the last digit is 7. I'll ask you, you'll say no. I think you know that, okay? Here, you'll say yes. No, no. Yes, 0, yes. 5, no. 3, no. 2, yes. So where you are focusing, students, you are focusing on the last digit. you are focusing on the last digit. So whenever I ask you divisible by 2, you should see the last digit. A lot of conditions I'll teach now. Abhi batata hu. Wait, huh? Oh, greater than 300. Begin with odd number. Greater than 300, less than 600. Many digits are there. Divisible by 4. Greater than 99. Many conditions are there, students. Are you understanding, everybody? Try to understand that. Many conditions are there. Nobody will give a simple question. We will learn all these conditions. Okay, watch till the end. You will learn a lot. Okay, now I want only those numbers which are divisible by 2. So whenever they ask you divisible by 2, your main focus should be on the last digit. This last digit. What is this last digit? Is this last digit is divisible by 2? So it should be 1? No. If you think that 1 is there in the end, it won't. So can I put 2 here? Yes, of course, you can put 2. Can I put 3 here in the end? No. Can you put 4 here? Yes. Can you put 6 here? No. So in the given 5 people, who have the guts to sit here? Either 2 can sit, or 4 can sit, or 6 can sit. That's it. Only 3 people have a chance. Are you understanding, everybody? Hello, you have to answer now. You have to answer some questions. Listen carefully. Okay. Now, how many people are supposed to sit at the corner? 3. Either 2 can sit, or 4 can sit, or 6 can sit. Listen, everybody. If 2 sits over there, if 2 sits over here, now when 2 is going to take a place over here, listen, everybody. Either 2 can sit, 4 can sit, 6 can sit. Suppose 2 is sitting here. You tell me, suppose 2 is sitting here, how many people are still standing? 4. How many people are still standing? 4 people are still standing. In these 4 people, how many places are there for them? How many places are there for these 4 people? How many places? Not 4 places. There are only 3 places for that. So for these 4 people, 3 places are there. What do you put? 4p3. What do you call it as? 4p3. 4 people, 3 places, 4p3. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? That's good. Anusha is saying it's 4p3. Welcome, Anusha, today. Okay. Now, let's try to move forward here. So, you know what's the meaning of 4p3? 4p3 means 24. You know what? 4p3. Numbers which are ending with 2. The numbers which are ending with 2 is 4p3. So, 4p3 is nothing but 24 numbers. I'll teach you 24 numbers. Everybody listen, everybody. 24 numbers. Listen, everybody. 2 is already sitting here. Okay. 1, 3, 4, 2. Yes, sir. This is divisible by 2. 2, you are fixed only. 2 is fixed. Now 6 will come here. 1 will go here. 4 will come here. Or else 2 is fixed. I'm not changing 2. 2 you are fixed. Remaining people are shuffling. 3 will come here. 4 will come here. 1 will come here. 2 you are fixed. Or else 6, 1, 4. 6, 4, 1. 2 is fixed. I will put 3 here, 4 here, 6 here. If you keep on writing all these things, look, I'm not changing 2, Baba. I'm not changing. 2 is fixed. 2 is not moving anywhere. Remaining all people are moving. So tell me, how many such movements are possible? 24. That we write in the form of 4p3. Do you think all these 24 numbers are divisible by 2? Yes. Tell me why it is divisible by 2. Sir, starting number is fixed, na? When starting number is fixed, all are divisible by 2. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes, that's good. But let me ask you, do you think that 2 is the only fellow? 2 is the only fellow who can sit there? No. Sir, let's try to give the chance to 4 also. Let's try to give the chance to 4. If 2 is out, 4 is inside. 4, please come now. I wanted to see how many numbers are ending with 4 once again. Same old tarika, same old procedure. Listen, everybody. Sir, 4 is sitting. How many people are still standing? 4 people. How many places are still available? 3. So what do you call it as? 4p3 arrangements are possible. Again, 4p3 arrangements are possible. Who are these 4p3 numbers? ending with 4. Who are these 4p3 numbers? Ending with 2. So do you think these numbers are divisible by 2? Yes. Do you know these numbers are divisible by 2? Yes. All are divisible by 2. Do you think these two are different? Yes. These numbers are ending with 2 numbers. These numbers are ending with 4 numbers. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? That's good. Rahul and everybody is correct. But it's my duty to teach from basics. Still, I will not get attracted toward these people answers. They are right. But I should teach this first. Understanding, everybody? Chalo. 2 chances over here. 4 chances over. Now who is left? 6. So I'll call 6 also. 6, go and sit in your place. 6, Babu, go and sit in your place. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now, if 6 is sitting here, again, how many people are standing? 4. How many places are there? 3. Again, 4p3. Like this, 4p3, 4p3, 4. Are you understanding? These many numbers are there which are divisible by 2. Following, everybody, students? But listen, everybody. Here, sir, suppose you have 10 cases. Will you write all the cases? No, don't do that. This is for your understanding. I'm writing everything, but this is not the way you are supposed to do it. Listen, everybody. So first of all, you have to see how many cases are there. First of all, you are supposed to see how many cases are there. So there are 3 cases. How many cases are there? 3 cases. This place is occupied by how many cases? 3 cases. Either 2 can sit here, or 4 can sit here, or 6 can sit here. 3 cases. You do only 1 case. That is sufficient. In the first case, you got what? 4p3. So rest of all are 4p3. So we can say 3 into 4p3. Are you understanding? If 2 sits, it is divisible by 2. 4 sits, divisible by 2. 6 sits, divisible by 2. All these numbers are divisible by 2. Following, everybody? Yes or no? You need not do all the cases. Do just 1 case. That is sufficient. The rest of all the cases are same. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? Now, do it. Divisible by 2. Chalo, karo. Everybody, tell the answer. You have to listen to the question and do 1 question. Listen to the question, do 1 question. Make it faster. Reshma is saying 2 cases into 5p4. Sujita is saying same. Sagar is saying 240. Might be 240. हो सकता है. Uday Bhaskar is saying 2. Grishma is saying yes. Sai Pratyu. 2 into 5p4. Amrita is also saying yes. Muntaj Begum, you're not answering. क्या हो गया? Sunny is not answering. Vinendra got the correct answer. Grishma finally said 240. Yes, good. तिवारी बाबू कहाँ गए? तिवारी शेखर. That's true. Oh, तिवारी ने आंसर दे दिया है. दास ने आंसर दे दिया है. I'm happy. You are interacting. Yes, Sagar. This is 240, Sagar. Okay. Now, that's good. Sagar, permutation combinations is important. Okay. Chaliye. Let's try to move forward. Let's try to see here. Sir, I want those numbers which are divisible by 2. Arey, what do I know? I should see the last digit. Divisible by 2 means what? Last digit I'm supposed to see here. Listen, every last digit. In the last digit, who have the guts, who have the rights to sit here? A1, jao. 2, yes. 3, jao. 7, jao. 8, S. 9, jao. So in the given people, not all the people have the guts to sit there. Not all the people have the guts to sit there. So who have the guts to sit there is only what? Either 2 can sit, or 8 can sit. That's it. Only 2 cases. So only, okay. Only 2 cases. I will not do 2 cases. I'll do only 1 case. Hey, 2, please sit there. Please come. Please come and sit here, 2. If 2 sits here, you tell me how many people are standing? 5. How many places are there? 4. What do you call it as? 5p4. So 5p4 numbers are there ending with 2. So likewise with ending with 2, 5p4, ending with 8 also 5p4. So here 2 cases. How many cases here? 2 cases. So 2 into 5p4 is a perfect answer. Are you all understanding, everybody? Say yes or no. That's it. So you should understand that people give you cases. People give you different cases how to do it. But we should not get worried about that. Following, everybody? I'm happy that many people have got the answer. Okay. Now let's try to move forward, everybody. Let's try to move forward, everybody. Let me just try to ask you here: how many 4-digit numbers can be formed? How many 4-digit numbers can be formed? 5p4. You already know that. You already know that. You are saying the answer also 5p4. But my condition changes. My condition changes, student. My condition is how many 4-digit numbers you can be formed using this thing is 5p4. You know, I know, everybody knows. But my condition is how many numbers can be formed? Those are divisible by 4. What is my question? The number should be divisible by what? 4. Divisible by 2 I taught you. But when the question examiner changed the condition divisible by 4, then also you should do this arrangement. You are not doing permutation, you are doing arrangements. Okay, chaliye. Now divisible by 4. Divisible by 4 means, look, I'm doing 1 2 0 3 4 6 0 4 2 2 5 8. It's a very big number. It's a very big number. Is this number is divisible by 4 or not? What do I know? I can't divide. So do one thing. Check the last 2 digits. Do you think that are these 2 last digits are divisible by 4? No, 58 is not. Then this number is also not divisible. Okay, no worries. Do one thing. Right now, is this 05? Illa. No. 05 will also not go. Okay, no worries. Is this 20? Yes. Is 20 divisible by 4? Yes. Then this number also divisible by 4. This is a basic condition you should know. Many of the students know, but it's my duty to make you understand. Ardhamaitunda? Now, suppose I am removing 1. Suppose I am removing this. Now you tell me, is this divisible by this thing? I don't think so. 42 will not go. Are you understanding? Like this, you are supposed to. When 42 is not divisible now, then this number is also not divisible. Now 04, yes sir. 60, yes sir. 46, no sir. 34, no sir. 03, no sir. 20, yes sir, yes. So 12, yes. So are you concentrating on the last digit or last 2 digits? Last 2 digits, students. Same like divisible by 2 only, but you are focusing last 2 digits. Ardhamaitunda. That's the way. Are you understanding, everybody? Now let's try to move across, and here we have to see the cases. Now you have to manually check all the cases. There is no other way. Divisible by 2, you are concentrating here. 2, 4, 6. That is the whole story. Now divisible by 4 comes. Now keep this 1 in your finger. 1, 1, 2. Yes sir. Don't change to 1. 1, 3. No. 1, 4. No. 1, 6. Yes sir. 1, 6 can also sit here. Then put your finger here. 2. 2, 1. No. 2, 3. No. 2, 4. Yes. 2, 6. No. Then 3. Put 3 into your point. 3, 1. No. 3, 2. Yes. 3, 2 will go. Then 3, 4. No. 3, 6. Yes. 3, 6 will go. Then 4, 1 will not go. 4, 2 will not go. 4, 3. 4, 6. Yes. No. 4, 6 will not go. Now 6, 1. No. 6, 2. No. 6, 3. No. 6, 4. Like this you have to write down all the cases. Manually you have to write down how many people have a tendency to sit here. Remember, many people ask you diesel by 4. Don't miss this question. Following everybody here. So how many cases are there? 6 cases. Yes, Reshma has got 6 cases. Induja have got 3 cases. Listen everybody. Listen everybody. How many cases are there? 6 cases. 1 2 or 1 6 2 4 3 2 3 6 6 4. How many cases are there? 6 cases. We don't have that much of time to check all the cases. Even you don't need to check all the cases. You have to check only one case. Rest of all are same. Yes, first case. I'm going to check the first case. Which case? Listen. I'm going to check the first case. 1 2. I'm going to check only one case. Students, I'm going to check 1 2. That's it. Rest of all the same story. So let me check one case. A1, sit here. A2, sit here. Over. They are sitting. How many people are standing? 3. How many places are there? 2. So how many arrangements? 3p2. This 3p2 is coming with 1 2. With 1 2, 3p2. 1 6 also 3p2. 2 4 also 3p2. How many cases are here? 6. So 6 cases into 3p2. You need not do all. First case you do, that is okay. Into 3p2. I hope you all people are understanding the way I am teaching you this one. Are you understanding, everybody? 6 cases into 3p2. So this is the way we are supposed to do it. Diesel by 2, it's okay. Diesel by 2 is okay. You are easily doing, but sometimes I'll give you diesel by 4 also. Are you understanding, everybody? Chalo, thanks. That's a lot. बहुत सारा पढ़ लिया है तुमने. So diesel by 4. Chalo, diesel by 4. Make it faster. Make it faster. Check all the given cases. What cases you can derive, and rest of all the permutations will happen here. Make it faster. Sorry. Yes. कान पकड़ता हूँ. हो गया हो गया. I think you can hear me now. I think you can. Chaliye, okay. Now, let's try to move forward, everybody. Many people got this thing. Okay, let me just try to give you 5 cases over here. The cases what you are supposed to write on here. It is 1, 2. Either 1, 2 can sit in the corner to divisibility. 1, 2. Or else 1, 3. No. 1, 7. No. 1, 8. No. 1, 9. No. Okay. It can be 2, 1. Nah, nah. 21 will not go. 23. No. 24. No. 28. Yes. Then 31, 32, 30. No. Then 72. Then 72, 78 will not go. Then 82. Then no. Then no. Abhi kya hai? That's it. 92. Yes. Anything else left, students? 28 is over. 27 is over. 32. 32 is left. That's good. 32. That's good. So how many cases are there? 5. 5 cases are there, students. I don't have a time to do all the 5 cases. Totally 5 cases are there, but I don't have a time. I will do only one case. The first case. Hey, 1 and 2. Sit here. How many people are standing? 4. How many places are available? 3. So we call it as 4p3. So 5 cases into 4p3. Even if you do all the cases, you get the 4p3, 4p3, 4p3. That's good, Grishma. That's good, Mayank Tiwari. Are you understanding, everybody? So this is the way we are supposed to do permutations and combinations. This is the way we are supposed, not combinations. This is supposed to do, we have to do permutation. People are same. N people, N places, N factorial, we should shout. N people, R places, NPR. But we are not using the calculations to calculate. We are not using the calculations to do it. Following? We are doing without calculations. Sorry, without formula we are using. Are you understanding, everybody? That's good. Okay, now it's not like that. It's not like that we are not able to do it. Okay, it's not like that we are not able to do it. Let's try to move forward now. How many? He want to ask you how many 4-digit numbers are formed. How many 4-digit numbers are formed? You'll say instantly 5p4. But my question is not like that. My question is how many 4-digit numbers are formed? How many 4-digit numbers are formed which are divisible by 5? What did you say, students? Which are divisible by 5? Divisible by 5 in the sense, same. The last digit you should concentrate. The last digit must be either a 0 or the last digit can be either 5. I hope you all know that, students. The last digit can be either 0 or the last digit can be either 5. But do you think in the given people, 0 is available? 5 is available? Yes. So welcome 5. 5 have the only one fellow. Only one fellow who is supposed to sit here is 5. Please try to come and sit here. 5. How many people are still standing? 4. So what's the answer? 4p3. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes. Das, Sipra Das, I'll tell you everything. But let's try to come from the basic questions. I'll teach you all the things. Don't worry about that. Okay, Govind Sahu, what's the answer here? What's the answer? 4p3. If 5 is not sitting here, do you think any else is there to sit here? No. Anybody else is sit here? No. So that's only one case. One case into 4p3. Now my question is, how many are there which are divisible by 5? Come on, here. I want the answer. Divisible by 5 in this question. Make it faster. Divisible by 5. That's good. Perfect answer, Rakesh Naidu have got. Sujita have got. Amruta have got. Very good. This is a perfect answer. Don't say not possible. Possible. That is 0. Don't say not possible, it's possible. How is this? 0. Sorry for that. 0. Why? In this last place, neither 0 is available nor 5 is available. So none of them are available. So what's the answer? 0. That's good. So this is the way we are supposed to do it. So we have learned, what we have learned is what? N people, n places, n factorial, n people, r places, npr. Following everybody? I know that you are doing the basic concepts of divisibility, what you're doing, but what I'm going to ask you is what? I'm going to ask you one question to do it. I'm changing the condition, students. Please try to do with this condition. Please. I want you to do one more question with this condition. Divisibility of what? Not divisibility, I'm sorry. Greater than 300. Make it faster, everybody. I want you to answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many is number 3? Tell you. Make it faster. I changed the condition, students. Previously, the condition was divisible by 2, divisible by 4, and so on. Now I change the condition, students. I want those numbers which are greater than 300. You know how to do it. But condition is changed, that's it. Good, students. Good. Yes, Sagar, what happened to your answer? Grishma, 4p2. That's good. Induja, 4p2. That is 3 cases into 4p2. That's good. That's good. Everybody. That's good. Sunny, 24. Yes, it's 24. No, 4p2. I think it's 36, I guess. Yes, listen, everybody. What we are doing here, listen, everybody. What we are doing here. Somebody says greater than 300. Do you think 326 is greater than 300? Yes. 222? No. 422? Yes. 416? Yes. 522? Yes. So what you are concentrating, students? You are concentrating on the starting digit. More than 300 means you have to focus on the starting digits. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now, let's try to move forward, everybody. Who will come first? 1, not possible. If you keep 1 here, it will be 100 change. 1,123, 134, something like that. So you don't want 1. You don't want 1 here. Now, 2, not possible. 200 change you want. 3, okay. 4, okay. 5, okay. 6, okay. 7, okay. But 6, 7 are not available. So in the given people, only 3 people are there. How many people are there? 3. Don't worry, Sagar. Now, let's try to see here. Either 3 can sit, or 4 can sit, or 5 can sit. How many cases? 3 cases. How many cases? 3 cases. Now, you are not supposed to do all the cases. First, you ask 3. Hey, 3, please come and sit here. He will come and sit here. Okay. Now, you tell me, leave all these things. How many people are still standing? 4. How many places are available? 2. Answer is 4p2. Is this 4p2 is only with 3? No, all the 3 cases. So 3 into 4p2. Are you understanding, everybody? So 4p2 value, you all know that how to do 4p2. 4 people will sit, next followed by 3 people. As two numbers should be repeated. If it is 4p3, as I've already told you, 4p3, 4 people, then followed by 3 people, then followed by 2 people. 1, 2, 3. Are you all understanding, everybody? These concepts are very clear to you. That's good. Many of people have answered. That's good. Reshma has not answered, and some of the students have not answered still. It's okay. Are you understanding, everybody? Now greater than 300. So I'll do one thing, students. I'll change the condition. Same arrangements, but I change the condition. Whether you are able to do it or not, please let me know. Please let me know. I just want your answer. Please, please, please. Condition change. Please. Yes, yes. Sagar. Chaliye. Reshma, you have answered. Okay, I might have not seen that in the chat box. Chale, make it faster, make it faster. Jaldi, jaldi, jaldi. Chaliye. 4 into 7 P4. Are you sure 4 into 7 P4? That's good. Kavita. Let's try to see it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He asked you 5-digit number. So I'm supposed to put 5. 7 people are standing, but places are only 5. 7 people are standing, but places are only 5. The number should begin with odd. When the number should be begin with odd, begin means what? Starting. The number should begin with odd. Only odd people are supposed to sit here. Who are the odd in the given 5? 1, 2, not 2, 3, then 5, then 7. How many cases? 4 cases here. 4 cases. So what do? I'll welcome 1. 1, please come and sit here. So 1 sat here. Leave all these things. Leave all these things. 1 is sitting here. Now how many people are standing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 people are standing. Oh, 8 is also there. I'm sorry, students. 8 is also there. Okay. Now, so 7 people are standing. Not 6 people. 7 people are standing. These 7 people have got 4 places. 7 people have got 4 places. This 7p4 is coming with 1. Same 7p4 with 3. 7p4 with this 5. 7p4. So 4 cases into 7p4. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes, yes. Kasi, I have missed the 8th one. Are you understanding, everybody? This is the way we are supposed to do the question. But what do I do? Try to understand that. I'm changing the condition. I'm changing the condition, students. I'm changing the conditions. The condition is what? The number should begin with odd and ends with an even digit. This is my question. For example, the number should be begin with a odd and it should end with a even. It should end with a even, everybody. So when you end with the even, students, so you should understand both the cases. Even this should also should be kept in mind, and even this should also be kept in mind. If it is begin with the odd, it can be 1 3 5 7. Okay, if it begins with the even, ends with the even, it can be 2, it can be 4, it can be 6, it can be 8. So these two cases have to be taken into the consideration. These two things have to take into consideration. So the numbers can be starting with 1 2 1 4 1 6 1 8. Leave 1 3 2 3 4 3 6 3 8, or else 5 4. Like this, everybody is multiplied with all. So how many cases here? 4 4. And how many cases here? 4. Here 4 cases, here 4 cases. 4 into 4. What is 4 into 4? 16. Okay, everybody, 16 cases are over. Now let's try to take one example. In this 16 cases, one case, if 1 is sitting here and 6 is sitting here, 1 is gone, 6 is gone. Now how many people are still waiting? 6 people are waiting. These 6 people are supposed to sit in how many places? 3. So answer is 6p3. 4 into 6p3. As the students have answered, Vinendra answered, Grishma have answered. Are you understanding, everybody? So people give you variety of conditions. Conditions are changing, students, but concept is not changing. Same arrangement. That's it. Following, everybody? That's good. Okay. Now this is my last question. Try to do it faster, everybody. Then I have to change the concept. Make it faster. Make it faster. Condition change, students. Condition change. Condition change. Make it faster, students. Make it faster. Yes, that's good. Make it faster. Very good. 3 into 5p2, the students are saying 60 is answer. That's good answer. Yes, Shivani, Sarika, are you getting the answers? That's good. Aniket, I've got 3 into 5p2. Rakesh also got Grishma, Jyotsna. Very good. Let's try to move forward, everybody, students. Let's try to move forward. Now, he told you it should be more than 300. Look, this is 300. Oh. The number should be more than 300, but the number should be less than 600. So the number, whatever you form, it should be greater than 300 but less than 600. Means you're supposed to starting at 300, more than 300. Okay, so starting should be focused. 3, okay. 4, okay. 5, okay. 1, not okay. 2, not okay. So in the given starting place you have to see. So 300, okay. 400 change, okay. 500 change, okay. 600 change, not okay. Why 6 should not come here? Because he told you it should not exceed 600. It should not exceed 600. So students, this I have to just keep it aside. Following everybody? Chaliye. Now you all tell me how many people are there? 3 cases. Even you don't have a time, even I don't have a time. We should not do all the cases, only one case you put. Yes, 3, come and sit here. Yes, sir. If 3 is sitting here, logically, how many people are standing? 5. How many places are there? 2. That is 5p2. This 5p2 is not only with 3, it's not only with 4, it will do all the cases. So 3 into 5p2. Are you understanding, everybody? So this is the way we are supposed to, do the question. This is the way we are supposed to do the questions. Are you understanding, everybody? That's good. Okay, let's try to move a little bit ahead, everybody. Let's try to move a little bit ahead and just try to learn some of the concepts here. Listen, everybody. Till now, whatever we have done, was without repetition of digits. Yes. Till now, whatever we have done was without repetition of digits. But in permutation combinations, there are some questions where digits are repeated. What is that? Digits are repeated. Don't forget about that. In permutation combinations, digits are repeated. That also should be there. Listen, everybody, now. For example, how many 2-digit numbers are formed? Your brain will say instantly 1 to 21, like that. So this answer is without repetition. What is this answer? Without repetition, you know till now. 2 people, 2 places, 2 factorial, that is 2. You will also shout, sir, 2. That's good. But my question is, repetition is allowed. When repetition is allowed, I'm sorry, sir, not just 2 cases. There are some more cases which will come. That is what? 1, 1. Allowed. You can allow the repetition. So, sir, 2 can be repeated? Yes, 2, if you write down here, you can repeat once again, 22. So, how many numbers are formed? 4. Are you understanding, everybody? What the answer you got just now for is with repetition. Previously, it was what? Without repetition. Following, everybody? Yes, Sriprada. Okay, yeah. Sripradas, have a look here. This is what you wanted. Okay, have a look, everybody, on the board now. How many 2-digit numbers can be formed? You all tell me how many 2-digit numbers can be formed. You all know that, sir. 3 people are standing. 2 places are there. 3p2. That is 6 numbers. Without repetition. 6 numbers. You've already done. I'll tell you. Look at that. 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1 तो हो गया. 1, 1 क्या हो गया? 1, 2. That's good. 1, 3, and what is left? 2, 3. These are the 6 numbers. What is this 6? Without repetition. What is this 6? Without repetition. If somebody told you repetition is allowed, allowed. 1, 1. Yes, this can also be formed. 2, 2. This can also be formed. 3, 3. This can also be formed. So what's the answer? 9. Answer is 9. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes. Let's try to have one more example. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed using this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? How many 4-digit numbers can be formed using this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Without repetition. Without repetition, you all shout, it is 5p4. 5p4. With repetitions, some of the students have mindset like this. 5p4 plus 5. This is wrong concept. Some people might have thought in their brain that is 5p4 plus 5. Remove this thing from your brain. Clear? So how to do with repetition? Without repetition, you got the answer. When repetition is allowed, it's not 5p4. It is 5 power 4. Understanding, everybody, students? It is 5 power 4. It's not 125 Bhaskar. It is 625. The basic difference is what? Whenever whatever we have learned. Let's try to move backward, everybody. So here, what did you learn? This NPR is without repetition. When repetition is allowed, it is n power r. What do you call students? We call it as n power r. This is repetition is allowed. NPR without repetition. That is a concept. But who told that? Who told that n power r? Is the formula is important? No. Again, no formula. Let's do without formula. Everybody. Listen, everybody. Here. Listen, everybody. I'm just saying the same answer. I'm telling the same answer. Listen, everybody. We will get the same answer here without the help of formulae. We'll get the same answer here without the help of formulae. Listen, everybody. What is said here? How many people are standing here? 2. Think like this. Every question you think like this from now onwards. 2 people are there. So in the first place, how many people can be sit? 2 chances. Either 1 can sit or 2 can sit. Think that 1 is sitting here. Now in the second place, who can sit once again? 2 people again. Why? Because 1 is already sitting here. Don't you think this 1 can be repeated? Yes. You only told na repetition is allowed. Yes, 1 can be repeated again. 2 can be repeated again. Fresh 2 cases once again. So 2 into 2, that is 4. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye, let's try to go with this example. If 1 can be here, 2 can be here, or 3 can be here. 3 people can sit here. Are you understanding, everybody? Think that if 1 is here, don't you think he can be repeated again? Yes, he can be repeated once again. If 2 is sitting here, he can also. So what's the answer? All the 3 people can be repeated again. Are you understanding, everybody? Same fashion here also. Formula is not important. Listen, everybody. If all the 5 people sit here, same all the 5 people can be repeated again, repeated again, repeated again. So that's the reason people design. Number of people repeated 4 times. That is n power r. That is 5 power 4. This is the reason formula came. Ardhamaitunda. Why you have got a formula? Formula is nothing but the same repetitions n times. Are you understanding, everybody? Sarika, samajh mein aaya hai? The number of people are repeated 4 times. That's the reason. Following? So you have to do nothing here. You have to repeat these people these many times. You have to repeat these people these many times. You have to repeat these people these many times. Are you understanding, everybody? If repetition is not allowed, sir, 5 cases will sit here. Again 4 cases, again 3 cases, again 2 cases. What is this answer? Without repetition. What is this answer? With repetition. That's the only basic difference, students. That's the only basic difference. Are you understanding? It's not like that you can't do it. Okay. Suppose you have like this the question. What? Let's try to have a look, everybody. I'm gonna give you one question. Everybody, don't just try to do like a copy something like that. Let me ask you here. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed in your brain? In your brain, your answer will be with repetition. In your brain, your answer is what? 5 power 3. 5 people, 5 people, 5 people. Suppose if I say like this, 5 power 4. If I say like this, 6 power 4. If I say like this, 7 people, 4 places. What do you answer? 7 power 4. If I'm saying like this, what is it? 7 power 3. If I say something like this, what do you say now? 8 power 4? No. 8 power 3? No. Listen, when 0 comes, students, when 0 comes, think that 0 doesn't have a value here. If they ask you how many 3-digit numbers, be careful. Whenever 0 comes in this kind of question, 0 cannot be sitting there. If 0 can't sit here, students, who can sit here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's good. But do you think 0 has a value here? Yes, 0 has a value here. So all the 8 people. So answer is 7 into 8 square. Are you understanding, everybody? So this is a way we are supposed to remember. Suppose you don't have this thing. Then what your answer would be? 7 power 3. Suppose you don't have this thing. What your answer would be? 6 power 3. Suppose you don't have these people. What your answer would be? 4 people, 3 places, 4 power 3. Suppose if you have like this, 3 power 3. थक गया मैं भी। देखो अगर ऐसा है तो, अगर ऐसा है तो 2 power 3. What's the answer? 2 power 3 means 8 numbers are formed. Students, don't misunderstand, sir. People are less now. Places are more. How can we arrange? How can we arrange? Yes, we can arrange. Why? Allowed. Digits are allowed. When digits are allowed, students, we can 100% do it. Look at that. 1 1 1 1 2 1 2 1 1 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 2, like this. How many numbers are formed? 8. Why it is possible? Simple reason, students. Why this is possible? Repetition is allowed. But if I ask you the same question, repetition is not allowed, you should say 0. Sir, 2 people, how can you do with 3 places without repetition? Are you understanding what I mean to say? That's good. So this is a basic concept what you're doing. So quickly, I want you to answer this question. Make it faster. Come on. Make it faster. That's good. 4 power 12. That's good. Okay, students, I think that chat box have got, like stuck. I want you to just try to give your answers in the kind of, please, go to your, the people who have not joined our, the people who have not joined our, like a Telegram group, please try to join the Telegram group in your mobile phone. Sujita have answered in Telegram group, Amruta, Subhashmita, Amit Patel. The chat box have got struck. Students, try to understand, please don't mind. कभी कभार होता है ये due to kind of technical error. Due to kind of technical, Jyotsna is saying, yes, Shekhar is saying 4 power 12. Students, try to understand that. Brain Viz, some students who have not Brain Viz CRT, just try to go to that. The students can listen me in Telegram group. At the rate in Telegram group, please try to go as the chat box have been struck. Uday Bhaskar have answered. I want all you people to come into the Telegram group. Please. Pratyusha is saying 7 power 12. Chaliye, make it faster, students. Chaliye. Good now. How? Look. 1, 2, 3, 4. But I want 12 digits. Here. When you have 12 digits here, how many people can sit? 4. Again, all are repeated. Yes, sir. Again, all the 4 people are repeated. Yes, sir. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 12 times. What's the answer? 4 power 12. What's the answer, students? 4 power 12. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? Yes, Anusha, welcome. Welcome to this. Everybody have got it? Everybody have joined here? Yes. Everybody have got it? Chaliye. Now, I just want you to just do one more question. Please do one more question. Please do one more questions and make your basic stronger. There's one more question, so make it faster. Please try to come to the Telegram chat. Students, we know that there are some issues in the system. That's the reason we have to come here. Chaliye. Is it 6 power 10? Sunny, I've got a very big number. Sunny, is this 6 power 10 answer? हो सकता है बड़े बड़े लोग हो, बड़े बड़े आंसर्स लाओगे तुम जरूर. Shikhar is saying 6 power 10. That's good. That's good, students. That's good. Okay, that's good. Now you're doing your basic questions here. Clear? You're doing the basic questions here. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. I want you to do this question which was given in TCS. Two conditions. I'll explain this question 100% to you, but provided you should try on your own. One, repetition of digits is allowed. Next, you have to do divisible by 4. Please try to do this question, everybody. I'll 100% explain this question. After this, I'll explain to the many more questions. This is a cat question. Again, you have one more question. This is also the cat question. Are you understanding, everybody? Again, you have got this question. This is a TCS question. 2019 question. Following, everybody? Yes. Please, students, we have many more questions to do it. Make it faster, this TCS question. Make it faster, students. We are supposed to do many more questions. Make it faster, make it faster, make it faster. Yes, Rakesh Naidu. Subhashmita is saying 7 into 6, 5 power. Yeah. Subhashmita is saying 7 into 5 power 6. Kashi is saying 7 into 5 power 6. That's good. Sun is saying 4 into 4 power 6. No, sorry. 6 into 6 power 6. Good. Oh, Subhashmita, बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे. 12 into 3 power 6. Reshma, 7 into 5 power 6. You got it. Three into 6 into 3 power 6. 7 into 5 power 6. Induja, Pratyusha, 7 into 5 power 6. Pratyusha, 7 into 5 power 6. Induja, 7 into 5 power 6. Sagar, 3 into 6 into 3 power 6. Good. Good. Chaliye. Let's try to move forward, everybody. Now, let's try to move forward, everybody. What is correct? What is wrong? Let's try to see here. Where you are going wrong in this question, I'll tell you. Everybody, just try to listen, everybody. Here. Students who got all the different variety of answers, I'll explain all the answers. Everybody try to look here. So how many people is it? 5. 1 2 3 4 6. Two conditions. One, they should be divisible by 4 also, and the second condition is what? The repetition is also allowed. So you tell me, first thing is what? Divisible by 4. Divisible by 4 means first cases or last case or last two cases. Sir, don't shout. Dheere dheere padhao. Last two cases. So last two cases. So we have already done divisible by 4. Huh? Keep counting. 1 2, yes sir. 1 3, no. 1 4, no. 1 6, yes sir. Then 2 1, no. 2 3, no. 2 4, yes. Then 3 1, no. 3 2, yes. 3 2, yes. 3 6, yes. 3 6 x. 4 1, no. 4 2, no. 4 3, no. 4 6, no. And 6 1, no. 6 2, no. 6 3, no. 6 4, yes. How many cases, students? 6 cases. But listen, everybody. Listen, everybody. One case, these people who got 6, these people who got 6, they got it 6 6. But there are some people who got 7. What is this 7? I'll tell you. Already 4 is there. I'm taking 44 also. This is an extra case I'm taking this time. In the previous time I didn't take. Why? Sir, previous questions, repetitions is not allowed. Here repetitions is allowed. Yes, repetitions is allowed. 44 will also come, students. 44 is divisible by 4. Suppose in case you have 8 also, you have to take 88 also. Are you understanding, everybody? Be careful with this case. The students who got 6 6, try to understand. You have done only silly mistake. That's 7 you have not taken. Sorry, 44 you have not taken. Are you understanding, everybody? That's good. Let's try to move forward. So this is the cases. How many cases are there? How many cases are there? How many cases are there? 7 cases. Now, I don't have a time to check all the cases. I'll do once again. Listen, everybody. I'll do first case. Hey, 1 2, sit here. 1 and 2 are sitting here. Be careful. Who should come and sit here? 1. 1 should sit here once again. Why? Acha, repetition is allowed. Don't try to think, students. 1 is already sitting here. Why shall I repeat 1 here? Don't think like that. Repetition is allowed. Some people thought, sir, only 3 people are left. 3 people are left. 3 people are left. 3 3 3 3 3 3 3. So that's the reason they call it as 3 power 6. 3 power 6. 3 power 6. 3 power 6. Understanding, Subhashmita? Not Subhashmita. Sujita. Okay, Sujita and Sagar, try to understand that. The way you are doing wrong is what? Not 3 power 6. Are you understanding? So not 3 people are repeated here. Not 3 people are repeated here. Sir, when 1 is already sitting here, don't try to think 1 can't come here. All the 5 people will come here. All the 5, all the 5, all the 5, all the 5. So 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. What's that? 5 power 6. This 5 power 6 is not only with 1, 2, with all the 7 cases. So best answer is 7 into 5 power 6. Are you understanding, everybody, students? So be careful with what they give you. This is a combination of both. This we have done previously, this we are doing now. Both combinations are there. Are you understanding, everybody? Both combinations are there. So that's the reason, okay, we are supposed to do it. Now, let's do across this question, everybody. This was given the CAT examination. Have a look, everybody, this question here. Now, listen, everybody. I'm going to teach you, not waste the answers or time with you. Okay, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 people are standing. I want those things. I want those things which are greater than 999. I want those things that are greater than 999 but lesser than 5,000. I want those numbers which are more than 999 but less than 5,000. It should be more than 999, less than 5,000. You only tell me if the number is more than 999 and less than 5,000. Do you think that number is 2-digit number? No. That the number is 3-digit number? No. The number is what? 4-digit number. He didn't tell you how many 4-digit numbers, but it's confusing you students. Whenever he told you more than 999 and less than 5,000, you should understand one thing, that he's asking you 4-digit, because the number is more than 999 will be 1,000 only. That's the reason 4-digit number. Now, what did he ask you? That's good. Yeah. So we are supposed to do what here? Repetition is not allowed. Allowed. So what are you going to say here? Very simple. All the 7 people, 7. All the 7 people, 7 people, 7 people. Bolo, what's the answer? 7 power 4. Is this the answer? No. Do you think all are repeated? No. Let's try to concentrate on this beginning, everybody. With this condition, I have got it. It should be 4-digit number, and also we should know that starting number. Can it be 1,000? Yes, sir. 2,000 change? Yes, sir. 3,000 change? Yes, sir. 4,000 change? Yes, sir. 5,000 change? No. If you put 5 number here, it will be 5,000 change, something more. So, bolo, how many cases? 4 cases. Now, allowed or not allowed? Condition. Allowed or not allowed? Allowed. If 1 is sitting here, sir, 1 can be repeated. So repeat, na? All the 7 people repeated once again. All the 7 people repeated once again. All the 7 people repeated once again. So answer is what? 7 power 3. Are you understanding, everybody? 2 conditions. One condition is what? This condition. And the second condition is what? Allowed. Are you understanding, everybody? Say yes or no. Yes. Following, everybody? Let's try to move forward now. Let's do. Suppose the same question, repetition is not allowed, is given. Same thing. There's no change here. Repetition is not allowed. At that point of time, students, what you're supposed to do is what? Sir, 1 is already sitting now. Yes, sir. Then how many people are standing? 6. So what do you say here? 6p3, like that. 4 into 6p3. That's the only basic difference between with repetition and without repetition. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now, let's try to do this CAT question. Are you understanding? Let's try to do this CAT question, everybody. Leave this, okay? I want you people to do this CAT question. Are you understanding, everybody? I want you people to do this CAT question and try to answer this. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes. I'm just trying to give this question to you. You just try to do this question later. Are you understanding, everybody? You just try to do this question later. Following? Clear? Now, do this question later. And I want you people to try this question. Following, everybody? I want you to do this question. Clear? Options are slightly wrong here. Options are slightly wrong here. I didn't change the answer when I typed the question. Please copy the options, everybody. The options are 375. The options are 376. The options are 120. The options are 360. Following, everybody? Clear? So this is the question which has been given to you. Try to understand, students. Okay, this was given in which examination, students? This was given in which examination? Yes, this was given in the CAT examination. I want you people to solve this question. I want you people to solve this question and get the answer for this question. Are you understanding, everybody? It's not like that we can't do it. Yes, we can do it. The thing is what? I want you people to try. Following, everybody? Options, I have typed it wrong. Now options are slightly correct here. Yes. Options I have given to you: 375, 376, 120 and 360. चलिए, clear? Now, students, everybody is saying the answer as this one, but this is the perfect answer. We'll see later on. Have a look here. Now, let's try to see this last question, students. Everybody on the screen now. Let's try to see these questions, everybody. I'm not wasting your time. Listen, everybody. Please try to see the screen, everybody. Yes, you can do that question later. I am teaching the last question of the session here. Have a look here. What is it that? How many? Listen, everybody. The question: how many number plates can be formed? Number plates. You know, in our vehicles have number plates. Listen, everybody. Yes, don't do that question right now. Just listen to that question. Okay, Mayank Tiwari. Everybody, listen to the question here. How many number plates can be formed such that 2 letters of English alphabets are there: A, B, C, D, E, F, so on, something, then digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on to 9. So he's asking you, sir, how many English alphabets are there with 2 English letters? How many English letters? 2 letters of English. Means this should be English letter, this should be English letter, 2 English letter, and followed by 2-digit number. Following by 2-digit number. Student, following by this digit and this digit. These should be digits, students. This should be letters. So let's try to listen to this question, everybody. Let's try to listen to this question, everybody. So what is this question? I'll show you here. Here. Now he told you alphabets should be here, letters should be here. Do you think letters are 10? No. Letters are 26. All the 26 people are here. Again here. All the 26 people are here. Following, everybody, and followed by a 2-digit number. Here not letters should be there, numbers should be there here. Who should be there here? Numbers. Let's try to put on numbers, everybody. Let's try to put on numbers here. Who are the numbers here? Try to understand that here. 0, 1, 2, 3, so on to 10. All the 10 people are here. But do you think all the 10 people are here? No. He told you repetition is not allowed? No. Students, be very careful. He told you repetition is not allowed. He didn't tell you. He told you, sir, repetition of digits is not allowed. Most of the people think that, sir, here 25 should be there. If one letter is sitting here, how come the next letter will come? Remove from your brain. He told you repetition is not allowed. He didn't tell you repetition of digits is not allowed. What is not allowed? Repetition of digits are not allowed. So here English alphabets are 26. So 2 English alphabets. Any A, suppose A sit is here, A can sit here also. Why? Because he didn't tell you that repetition is what not allowed? Repetition of digits is not allowed, but letters can be allowed, na? Yes. Now, here, suppose the number 3 is sitting here. Can you think 3 once again? No, digits are not allowed. So how many people are here? 9 people. So this is the perfect answer. So this question was given in TCS, sir. Here, what is saying that English alphabets we are supposed to use. Are you understanding, everybody? Say yes or no. I believe you all people have understood this TCS question that he told you English letters followed by digits. English letters followed by digits. Following, everybody. Here 26, 26, 10 and 9. Subhashita, correct. Repetition is not allowed. Suppose he told you repetition of letters is not allowed. Repetition of letters is not allowed. If letters are not repeated, listen, everybody. So we can do, everybody. If repeated, like letters are not repeated. So 26 letters can be sitting here in the first place. If A is sitting here, A can't be sitting here once again. If A is sitting here, A cannot be sitting here once again. So at that point of time, you can say 25. So this is 26. This is 25. Then do you have how many people here followed by letters? Not letters, digits. How many people can be here? 10. But you think 10 to 10 people can once again? Yes. He told you letters are not repeated, but digits can be repeated now. Like that. Are you understanding, students, everybody? So these kind of conditions will come. Suppose he told you repetition itself is not allowed. What he told you, listen to this, everybody. This is hidden. What's the question? If repetition is not allowed, he didn't mention any digits, he didn't mention any letters. So what are you going to do at this point of time? If repetition itself is not allowed, so how about the answer? Very simple. Sir, English alphabet? Yes, sir. Again, English alphabet? Not allowed. Means how much? 25. Here, how many people are there? 10. Here, how many people are there? 9. Are you understanding, everybody? Suppose he told you, listen to the students, everybody. Suppose he told you, sir, repetition of digits is allowed. He told you repetition of digits is allowed. What he told you, repetition of digits is allowed. Letters, yes, repetition of digits are allowed. Letters are allowed. Now, suppose he told you repetition is allowed. For example, students, everybody, repetition is allowed. When he told you repetition is allowed, very simple. 26 people are there. All the 26 can be repeated. All the 10 people are repeated. All the 10 people are repeated. So these kind of questions will also be there, students. And this was a given in TCS 2019. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? So this is what the kind of question, students, and this is what the end of the session. I have given you one question right now in the Telegram group. Try to answer that. The answer is 375, you are saying, but answer is not 375. I will just try to find out what is the answer and let you know. Okay. And I'm going to share one PDF file to you, only permutation questions. Please solve all the permutation questions of the PDF, and I'll give the key also. Get ready for that. Are you understanding, everybody? Are you understanding, everybody? So with the help of this, I would like to end the session here. With the help of this, I would like to end the session here. Tomorrow we will catch with permutation and combinations second session. Very important. And day after tomorrow, it's very important question. I mean, like a concept, application of permutation and combinations. Are you understanding, everybody? What do you call it as? Application of permutation and combinations. So is that okay, everybody? Chaliye. Now, thank you very much for the session. Okay, catch you tomorrow, and don't forget to come on YouTube. You know, this week in the Thursday probably you have a YouTube session following, and you will also have a doubt session. So I'll be taking some time. One day you have two sessions, one doubt session and one this thing. So today I'll share you two